5 people were hospitalized in a horrific crash at the end of a police chase in Leimert Park, according to the Los Angeles Fire Department. A police chase ended in a horrific crash on Monday, May 12, 2025, in the Leimert Park area of Los Angeles, leaving a 30-year-old woman in critical condition and 4 others injured, including a 12-year-old boy, according to authorities. Officers from the LAPD Southwest Division were pursuing a suspect before the chase ended on Crenshaw Boulevard, south of Vernon Street, around 8:20 p.m. Monday, according to the LAPD. An LAPD patrol car reportedly collided with a red sedan. Firefighters arrived shortly after at the 4300 block of South Crenshaw Boulevard to conduct a rescue. Police had to extricate 2 people from the red sedan, and 5 people were taken to the hospital. The condition of the 12-year-old boy was not immediately clear. An LAPD surveillance drone hovered over the scene, where the Los Angeles Fire Department was treating several people and transporting patients to ambulances. The video shows the red sedan severely damaged, with its airbags deployed. An LAPD surveillance drone also spotted a wrecked LAPD patrol car. 2 officers were able to exit the vehicle, which was visibly charred and engulfed in flames. According to the LAPD, the suspect in the pursuit was wanted for DUI and managed to flee. No description of the suspect has been provided.
High-speed chase heading straight down Crenshaw Boulevard when it came to an end after an LAPD patrol car crashed with that red vehicle right there in the center of your screen. We'll go right to the tape, and you can see one person being rescued from that vehicle. There were several patients inside of that car. 5 people transported to the hospital. Altogether, you can see that woman was trapped for some time before they were able to get her into an ambulance. There was also a 12-year-old boy transported as well, and 2 LAPD police officers inside of a burnt-up patrol car. We've got some video of that vehicle right there. You can see a charred LAPD black and white. 2 officers lucky to get out alive after just a violent crash at the end of this chase. Incidentally, that white BMW that they were chasing got away. Reporting live from Air 7, I'm Chris Christie, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Got away. Chris, thank you. We have